Hello everyone. Here we are going to be doing a Drosera binata leaf cuttings update. And I'll be dividing and repotting them. March 7th, 2024. So there was about at least 24 of them, and I placed them all into 6 pots. So here we are still on March 7th, and I used peat moss, perlite, and sphagnum moss. Now here we are on March 11th, 2024. And here we are today. And it looks like they're growing really nice, and there's plenty of dew, so that's a good sign. Thank you so much for watching my Carnivorous Plants. Have a great day. Bye.